Happy birthday, Don.
Is it?
Happy birthday, my friend. Hello.
Is this my present?
Alice Band Diaries.
Hello, how are you?
We don't know order. So I've got 2 Stella, I've got 100 dry, a large sparkling water, and a small still water. 6 portions of the Avalanche, prawn Avalanche, and then 2 portions of the Bang Bang. Oh, then you want it to be split in 12 each. Thank you. Pleasure.
Oh, we'll be celebrating my beautiful, handsome Donovan. It's his birthday, and he's 47 years old.
And what's happening over at the Alice Band Diary these days?
Oh, well, I'm going to be doing a book review on Conrad van Staden, My Fat Head. That's why we decided to come and eat here first.
Lovely.
Yeah, I think so. Yummy.
Alice Band Diary, how did you enjoy the Avalanche?
It's absolutely divine. It's my favorite. I love the front food. That's the best part.
And Don, which was your favorite?
The spicy one. I enjoyed the spicy one. I think I'll layer that one next time.
What desserts have we got?
We've got Malva pudding, we've got death by chocolate, we've got peppermint tart, we've got chocolate mousse, and we've got ice cream and bar one, and then we've got, I think that's all we've got.
What do you think of?
What do you recommend?
Peppermint, definitely the peppermint tart. And it's served with cream or ice cream, or you can go, since it's your birthday, you can go with the chocolate mousse.
The bar one.
Ice cream and bar one.
Ice cream bar one sauce, yes.
Can't you have the chocolate brownie?
The death by chocolate.
Yeah, and ice cream.
And a cheesecake to share.
Because you can't see one, but at least I did something.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday!
Today.
I knew it. And then I went on Google to have a look, and then I thought, oh no, this person's kosher, and I followed him, and then I realized maybe they're not, and then I unfollowed him.
You really provided excellent service for us.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
We were landed at this